And one's in the shoulder. I need him to fight right now. Otherwise, I run the risk of getting pinched right here. Why has there got to be a hut here, of all places? Of all places to have a freaking hut. It's the worst. He's in it now. Other guy's got to be on the opposite end. He's got to be like on the upper part of this thing. He has to be. I don't know where else he could be. I'll go around here. My armor is just about broken as well. This guy had sat back. This guy's sitting back here and he doesn't have to do anything. I gotta find a way in. Five seconds. I'm almost in. He's got to be behind the tree. He has to be. I don't know if that's him. No, I don't think that's him.